History of China. The history of modern China is rooted in its first encounter with the West in the 16th and 17th centuries. The British overpowered the Qing dynasty after the First Opium War during 1839 to 42. The Second Opium War was fought in 1856 to 1860. The history of modern China raises three issues. A. How to regain sovereignty. B. End humiliation of foreign occupation. C. Enforce equality and development. There were three different views. Liang Qiqiao believed that traditional ideas could be used in various new ways to meet Western challenges. He popularized Chinese nationalism. Republican revolutionary Sun Yat-sen was influenced by the ideas from Japan and the West. He founded modern China and established a republic in 1911 AD. The Communist Party of China, or CCP, wanted to put an end to age-old inequalities and ousts foreigners. Although CCP and Kuomintang worked on the opposing sides and disliked each other's ways of how China should be run, they believed that political stability could only be established by uniting the country and stabilizing the nation. Chiang Kai-shek, leader of Kuomintang, militarized China. CCP leader Mao Zedong conducted Soviets or peasant councils and resisted Japanese colonization. Kuomintang's, the National People's Party, escalated attacks, forced the Soviets to shift their base to Yan'an after a 1,200-kilometer long march. The Communist Party emerged victorious and established the People's Republic in 1949.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.